On October 22, dramatic scenes unfurled at the sets of Big Boss Kannada reality show when Varthur Santhosh was arrested for the possession of a tiger claw pendant. Since then, raids have happened at the houses of several prominent people, including actors, politicians, spiritual gurus, and even forest officials. While initial reports suggested that Santhosh purchased the claw 3 years back, later he claimed that it was an ancestral possession and obtained bail. Others under the scanner have also made similar claims that they have inherited it as heirloom, received it as gifts, and so on. What does the law say about all of this? Let's take a look. Under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, killing wild animals and selling or possessing wildlife articles or trophies is a criminal offence. Wildlife articles include the whole body or body parts such as claws, horn, skin, and so on. But there are 3 situations in which one can be in legal possession of these articles. If the person had custody of the article before the enactment of the law in 1972, if the person declared the article during the moratorium given by various state governments after the enactment of the law, if a person inherited the article from a blood relative or spouse. In all 3 situations, ownership certificate is mandatory. Now, what is an ownership certificate? It is a certificate provided by the Chief Wildlife Warden of a state when you are in possession of a wildlife article from one of the 3 situations we mentioned earlier. But there's a catch. An ownership certificate is not absolute. It only gives one the custodianship of a wildlife article. That means one cannot sell, buy, or gift a wildlife article. Nor should a wildlife article be accepted as a gift, or else you would be in illegal possession of the same. For example, a husband cannot gift it to his wife, or a mother cannot gift it to her son. A wildlife article can only be inherited after the death of a legal custodian. But say you were cleaning an old attic and chance upon an ivory carving or a tiger claw or any such wildlife article without an ownership certificate. Then what do? You have a window of 48 hours to report it to an authorized officer. If not, you are in the illegal possession of a wildlife article, which is a cognizable, non-bailable offence. Currently, the Karnataka government is planning a 2-month moratorium for the public to return or declare the wildlife articles in their possession as a one-time measure. The reason has been explained as the general public's lack of awareness of the law and its stringent nature. According to Karnataka Forest Minister Ishwar Khandre, this is not the first time such measures have been adopted.
ಹಿಂದೆ 2003ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು 180 ದಿವಸಗಳವರೆಗೆ 6 ತಿಂಗಳವರೆಗೆ ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕವಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಟ್ರೋಫಿಯಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಂಥದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಒಂದು ಸಲ 6 ತಿಂಗಳವರೆಗೆ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇವತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 2 ತಿಂಗಳವರೆಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲಾವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮರಳಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುನಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಜಾರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಚಿಂತನೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಾನೂನು ತಜ್ಞರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಿಮವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ.
Experts feel that the moratorium could be a fair chance for those who inherited such articles to legally declare them. However, they stress that this shouldn't be an opportunity to palm off fresh pieces as heirlooms. For more such stories and explainers, follow The Hindu.